Step 1. Combine the left and right angle post using the short beam. Make sure to tighten the beam with a hammer. Step 2. Repeat step 1 using another short beam based on your preferred height. Step 3. Install the joint bracketon to the left angle post. Then, install the angle poston of the joint bracket. Step 4. Repeat step 3 on the right angle post. Step 5. Repeat step 1 for the upper side of the angle post. Your left side of the rack should look like this now. Repeat the 5 steps for the right side of the rack. Look at how easy it is to install the rack. Step 6. Install the long beam onto each side of the angle post. Step 7. Combine the left side and right side of the rack with long beam. Repeat step 7 using the remaining long angle post. Your rack should look like this now. And put the bottom stopper at the bottom part of each side. Then, place the metal shelf onto the rack. Next, install the upper stopper. Last, position the safety pin into the keyhole. You are done.